I can get in or no.
Incredible Stampede drumline.
Hello everyone, what's up? Today is Thursday, 27th of October 2025 and the time right now is 6 p.m. and the temperature in Calgary is right now minus 10 degrees Celsius, a little bit windy and expected snowfall. And in this video I'm going to show you guys the University District night market, and they just opened their first skating rink in Calgary and tree lightning, and let's start the walk. And I just start my walk from the Brookfield Place, downtown Calgary. Unfortunately, the tree light is not working today. My bad luck today. Here is the new bus stop. I already told some another video of mine that this bus stop is really necessary for us, because I used to take bus from here, but there is no bus stop. We have to wait like a long time during this winter, minus 20, minus 40, and now there is a bus stop and there is a digital screen as well. And here is the Calgary Tower, is purple today. It's a little bit slippery, the sidewalk. The plan is to go towards the Brantwood C train station, because I am going to the University District. Today is the tree light ceremony over there, and they open their skating rink as well. So I can't wait to show you guys. So it take almost 40 minutes from the first C train station. Very rush hour. I don't know I can get in or no. I just get down and brand new station. I don't know, and I have to take the Max Orange bus. This is the middle of the both side. You can see it's the road. I don't know which one. The other station. The stairs is not working. The escalator on that side is not working. Before I take an exit from here, I need to check which side I have to go for the Max Orange. So here I found it's northbound Max Orange. I have to cross this overbridge. Show you the view from the overbridge. On this side. So slippery. This is how we travel during this winter. So here is a heated bus stop here. There is another one. Just looking for the Max Orange station. Which one is Max Orange? Couldn't see the signboard yet. Max. So I have to ride to home station with this bus, then I have to get down Alberta Children's Hospital, and then I have to walk 5 more minutes. So after 5 minutes of walk, I think I find it here. Yeah, you can see it's the sign is here.
This is so bad.
It's free. The neighborhood and the area looks so nice. So it's a night market, and they have the lightning ceremony as well. You can see all the local vendors here. Even though it's right now it feels like -15, but you can see how many people is here. Oh, it looks like festive. Ooh, that's the vibe I want from Calgary during the Christmas. And the best part, you know what it is? They have the skating ring. And the skating ring is open from today. So all those skating lover people, if you are sad because of the Olympic Plaza is under construction, here is the place you can start your skating here. So bring your boots, or you can rent your boots from here.
Mama, your pipe.
That side also there is a fire pit. I think this tree will be light up and waiting for the ceremony. Oh, it's really cold right now. There is another fire pit. Calgary. So you have to take the LRT towards Brentwood, and then you have to take Max Orange, and you have to get down Alberta Children's Hospital, and you have to walk 5 minutes.
That lovely mitten clap that I love to hear in the wintertime when you're doing winter fire shows is that lovely damp sound. And you've got your jingles. Oh, let's see if we can do a little 1, 2, 3 shake shake. Can you do that? You're gonna go 1, 2, 3, and then we're gonna go jingle jingle. 1, 2, 3, jingle jingle. No, you have to stop and then start. It doesn't work if we're just jingling the whole time. Okay, ready? No jingles? No jingles. Show band drumline.